guys, it is May 12th, 2022. This one here, I got a call from a guy. I gotta go over there and fix his tub. Got an old Simmons tub and shower valve that's giving him issues, so I'm gonna go over there and see what I can help the guy out. So it's all stripped. We'll have to take your waters off down Sully, you said?
Yep.
Alright. Take it apart and we'll see what happens, I guess.
Do like half of them or most of them?
It depends. Maybe half. How long's it been like this for?
It's probably been like a year and a half.
A year and a half.
So, depending on how much my wife and I are working different jobs.
That could be the spindles are bad, the seat's bad. We'll see. Probably gonna have to. Let's see if we can fix it. If we can't fix it, we'll have to rip it out and change it. Let's try first, right?
Yeah.
I mean, that would be the first thing to try, see if we can fix it. Hopefully I get it hot. Oh, come off easy.
It's a good sign.
Oh, we're gonna have to get the seats out, put new seats in a new spindle. How bad was it leaking? Really bad?
From what I remember, it was enough that I put those valves in the basement just to shut it off. And then, like I say, I had a glorious plan that I'd do something with it, and me and my wife were working like 80 hours a week each, and I just never got around to it.
We'll have to go to seat kit and a. Hopefully we get it out. Hopefully we get it out. Not too much of a issue. If I don't put a seat kit in it and I put a new spindle, it's going to be an issue now.
Yeah.
Hopefully. OEM parts. You got to go with OEM parts or they're no good. They're used. The aftermarket parts don't work.
Yeah, what do they snap or break?
No, they just don't work right. I mean, either don't heat up or
yeah, they don't line up right.
it just it ain't gonna come out. I gotta put the big daddy on there and
Some sort of a puller that pulls something out.
yeah, a piece of pipe. Gotta put a piece of pipe on there most likely. Maybe. No, it's coming out. Gentle Persuasion. You ever hear that song?
Who did that one?
I don't know. Oh boy, there's a lot of muck in there. Wow. A lot of flipping. A lot of muck. I don't know. Somebody had different meanings. Really mucky in there. Let's see. Put new seats. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't know if I can get that out of there. That back one. Have you played around with this thing? Sorry.
No, I've never had it.
Somebody's played around with it, stripped it. I don't know if I can get it out of there. Somebody's the back seat. Somebody's already stripped it. Unless I can get some kind of easy out in there, maybe. Unless that's not one that comes out. That might not be one that comes out. Maybe that's what the issue is. It don't look like that one comes out. Let me see if I can get it easy out in there and take it out. Maybe, hopefully. Let me see if I can get this in there and see if this will. No, a couple of different ones. Yeah, that might work. Maybe. Either that or we're gonna replace it. Oh, look at that shit. Yeehaw.
It's working.
Yeah, got it out.
Wow.
Son of a bitch. It's all stripped. See it? We had to use both pullers to get them out. Wow. That's crazy.
Yeah, nice, so you got it.
Without the tools, forget it. Yeah, she's pretty crusty in there. I'll put some new seals, new seats in there, and I gotta go with the OEM seat kit. I've had problems with the aftermarket seat kits. They don't work. And I'm out of seat. I'm always changing shit, you know?
Yeah, you think anybody threw it?
Yeah, they're always changing shit on me. That's all it is.
So somebody was back in there before?
Somebody was playing around with it because I couldn't get it out. I mean, the tool usually takes it out, but this one, I've never had to, this tool's giving me a problem too. Isn't that weird? Huh. Really weird. Put a new spindle in there and hopefully it works. Like I said.
That'd be nice. Solve a 2-year problem.
Hopefully it works. I guess we'll find out, won't we?
Yeah, soon enough, yeah.
Yeah, that was loose. Should be tub right there. Alright, you want to go turn the water on?
Yeah.
It's on?
Yeah.
I don't see it leaking. What about the spout and this back on here. Make sure it gets hot. Yeah, it's getting hot, so that's what we want. Make sure that the diverter don't leak. Yeah, the diverter's leaking. I gotta fix that too. See it dripping? Well, we could fix that easy enough. Fix the diverter. Get one out of the truck. You don't want it dripping, do you?
No.
You should have one of these.
Yeah, for all I know, it might have been that diverter that was...
Yeah, but you can't have it dripping downstairs, so I gotta get a new one. This is the one that was bad, the one in the back there. Definitely an issue. I got a tub shower diverter, and then this one's a volume control for the old style. They got the new style ones too now. The new style valves. There's a tub shower diverter, and then there's the volume control. That's the new style valves they got out now. They're changing shit. It's the new style tub shower diverter. It's bigger. It's bigger than the old one. And then this is for strictly the shower. There's the number there for the shower. They're different. You just can't entertain those two, the new style, because they changed the design. Alright, let's see if we can get this on and change this piece. Ooh, that's a tub shower one. That's a white one too. But she's a licker. Let me see, it's white in there. That's a tub shower. Hopefully it comes out. Then they gotta drill them out. Not easy. I had to drill them out before. Hopefully it comes out. There it is. The O-ring leaks. That's a Raven tool. Half-inch fitting brush. Whoa, how you doing? There's the number here. There's the number. The white one. Old style. Put a little lube on there, Mom. Put a little lube. Once they're going like that. Put this on, basically rebuilt. this one for another job. Cover. Put a handle on it. And we're going to put a tub spout on the bottom, which I brought one in. Okay. Should take care of that. About that spout, should open up the wall and fasten it into the back there. It's loose as a goose. It's loose as a goose.